In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Apps. Then hit App Cloner. Click on any app you wish to clone over here or by selecting Other apps and tapping on one of those. Use gray switcher next to Create App Clone feature and wait. Then adjust those two options. You can rename your app and hit Save. And also tap on Default App to open and pick one of those options by clicking on a perfect one for you. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher. Then hit delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!